Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sidhi smomstudio.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do general knowledge in this video part 4. Let's start. Rules: 7 questions, 5 seconds, answer in comment box. When did India complete in its first Fed Cup? Answer is 1977. Who wrote the Mahabharata in the Oriya language? Answer is Sala Das. Which day is celebrated as United Nations Day? Answer is 24 October. Which day is celebrated as World Citizen Day? Answer is 19 November. In which month Vishu is celebrated in Kerala? Answer is April. The famous Konark Sun temple was built by whom? Answer is Narsi Mahadeva. Which day is celebrated as World Hindi Day? Answer is January 10. Subscribe for part 5. Bye. Do it, like, share and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.